Welcome back. This is Pinyin Series episode 14. Today, we're going to learn something special. They are yin, wen, and yuan. I call them compound nasal vowels because they're composed of two vowels and a nasal consonant. It looks hard, but not at all. Just don't be fooled by its appearance. Let's take yin as an example. We could break it into an easy E and an. Try to prolong the E and then extend to an, like yin, yin, yin. It's easy, right? The best way to learn is to practice in different syllables. Let's start. Beep, beep.
Yan. Yan is composed of E and an, pronounced as yan. Again, E, an, yan. E, an, yan. The four tones are yan, 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 yan. Let's practice. Yan, de, yan, dian, de, yan, dian, dian, dian. Electricity. 电池，电池。Battery, battery. 烟，钱，烟，钱，钱。钱 money, money. 钱，钱 money, money. 烟，天，烟，天，天，天，天空 sky. 天，天空 sky. One, one is composed of u and an, pronounced as one. Again, wu, an, one, wu, an, one. The four tones are one, 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 one. Let's practice. One, de, one, duan, de, one, duan, duan, duan. 切断 cut off. 断，切断 cut off. One, 换 one, 换换换交换 exchange 换交换 exchange 子万转子万转钻钻钻石 diamond 钻钻石 diamond
Do you like my channel? Please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like.
Yuan Yuan is composed of yu and an, pronounced as yuan. Again, yu, an, yuan, yu, an, yuan. The four tones are yuan, 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 yuan. Let's practice. Yuan, ji, yuan, jin, ji, yuan, jin, jin, jin. Chunjin, spring roll. Chunjin, spring roll. Ch, yuan, quan. Ch, yuan, quan. Quan, quan. 转圈 go round 圈转圈 go round 渊选渊选选选挑选 select choose 选挑选 select choose.
That will be it for today. It's short and sweet. If you like me more than Jack, please leave a comment. Beep beep. The next episode will be the same, but there will be only 3 more compound nasal vowels left. I will see you again very soon. Bye. Bye. No battery.